Should I touch it to see if it's freaking cold enough? It's hot, but take my dollars. So we're gonna hit it with a pre-soak.
I just wanna touch your body language. So excuse me for being Mr. Scorpio. Man, it's been a long time, I thought you should know. It's like the music's getting louder every time she posed. The vibrations to this beat made her take off her clothes. I mean,
oh no, I only have a minute left. Oh, I actually need to finish quick because then I have to use a card because I don't have any more dollars. Shit, I didn't think this through, guys. I should have just used my card.
damn, yeah, accidents happen. She said that's okay, Captain. She really didn't know how she was acting. Goddamn, by the way her body reacting. She hits the phone, she wants to practice on the mattress. Time and time again, but may I sin? I just wanna touch your body language. I am confident, don't need to pretend. I'm into making love, not into making friends.
I had $4 in my pocket, and that's what it went into it, and look at that.
See, I like your body language, I hope you understand. You're switching up positions, didn't think I comprehend. Your dancing is insane, man, I really feel your pain. Got some water on your t-shirt.
Honestly, guys, I have the worst luck ever, like, working on the bike. Like, something so simple would just turn into something that's such a big-ass problem with me somehow. A clutch lever, right? Fucking simple. I fucking over-tightened it, and it was making my clutch slip. So whenever I would accelerate on it hard, the clutch wasn't grabbing it. I guess it was, like, slipping into, like, a neutral or, like, in-between or something like that. And I figured out that that's what I had to do, loosen it. I also just want to do an oil change, just like, because I literally have the oil sitting around, because I'm in like some group, right? And one of the people in the group wanted to sell their oil. I don't know, I guess they didn't need it, or they used different oil or something. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? I literally just heard the weirdest shit in the world. What the hell was I saying? So I want to use it before the season ends, you know, just so I have clean oil and shit. Holy shit, my front wheel came up right there. What the hell? I wasn't expecting that. Dude, I have traction control on too, and with traction control, the wheel's not supposed to come up. What the fuck? Dude, I don't know if people are beeping at me, but I keep hearing shit. Me doing that literally affects not one person. Everybody's in the same position they are, and I'm just fucking ahead of everyone. So, fuck off. What the hell? This thing... I wonder if they know that the back of the U-Haul thing is, open.